Hey everyone, welcome back to DataSurface. If you are planning to master in Snowflake from scratch, you are in the right place. In today's video, I am walking through a complete curriculum that we will be covering in our Snowflake Mastery playlist. I have broken it down into 5 major parts with 10 action-packed modules from beginner basics to cutting-edge AI-powered features. Let's get started with level 1. Meet Data Cloud. So this is where it all begins. We'll kick off the basics of Snowflake, what it is, how it evolved from the traditional data warehouses, and why it's game changer in the data world. We'll also explore Snowflake editions, pricing models, partners, and how it works across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Also, we'll have a quick overview of the Snowflake architecture. Then we'll get hands-on. You learn how to create a free trial of Snowflake account, set up SnowSQL CLI, and connect with the third-party tools like DBR, DBT, and Python or Visual Studio Code. And also, we'll see how we can connect with any third-party applications by using JDBC, ODBC drivers. So basically, this section sets foundation and gets your environment ready. Now, let's climb to the next level. Snowflake architecture and security. We will dive under the hood of Snowflake. We'll break down how Snowflake handles storage and compute separately and how it uses micro partitions and handles massive data with ease. You will learn about virtual warehouses, auto scaling, and query processing flow. Then we'll see another important module about Snowflake security. The security is also critical, right? So we'll cover multi-factor authentication, RBAC, and data masking from objects and schema security to end-to-end data encryption. You will get everything you know to know how to Snowflake is safeguarding the data and how many layers security is available in Snowflake. All right, let's move on the part 3 where the real building begins. Snowflake objects and data movement. So first we will explore the core objects like databases, schema, tables, views, file formats, tasks, sequences, stages, procedures and user-defined functions, and tags and policies. So we will deep dive about all these objects, how the data is going to store in these objects, different categories of stages, different types of tables, all we will deep dive in this module. Then we will get into the data movement, or I would say data flow. So basically how we can upload the data from web UI, how we can ingest the data in bulk by using copy command. Basically we call it as a batch ingestion by using a copy command, and then continuous ingestion by using a Snowpipe, and also see how to auto load data using event triggers, handle external tables and replicate data across environments. And also we'll see finally how you can unload the data from Snowflake to any cloud or any local machine. By end of this part, you will know how to design powerful pipeline that actually work in production. Let's climb higher. Time to supercharge performance. So Snowflake is just flexible, it's a feature packed. We'll explore Snowflake powerful features or core features like a time travel for data recovery, file save, zero copy cloning, and secure data sharing in the Snowflake marketplace. Newer additions like document AI and Instore, which combines OLTP and OLAP. We'll deep dive about all these core features. Then we will shift gear into the performance tuning. Learn how to use smart caching, query profiling, and clustering, auto scale resources, speed up query execution, use automatic pruning and resource monitors to keep cost in check. Now it's time for final climb where the future of data begins. Welcome to the most exciting part of the journey. In this final section, we will explore Snowspark, which lets you write data apps using Python, Java, or Scala, all within Snowflake. ML models development inside Snowflake. Cortex, a new set of GenAI functions for sentiment analysis and document processing and LLMs. AI Copilot for SQL. And vector search and generative AI powered use cases. And finally, we'll move into the app development using native app framework, streamlined dashboards, and using data clean rules for collaboration. and monetizing data services via the Snowflake marketplace. This is where the data meets intelligence and you became a true Snowflake cloud data engineer of the future. And that's wrap on the full Snowflake curriculum. We'll be covering on the data surface, whether you are just starting out or looking to go deep into advanced features. This series will guide you step by step. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe DataSurface for weekly deep dives into each of this module. In next video, we are going to cover the first module topic, what is Snowflake and why it matters in the modern data world. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.